how to change language, change color display, and how to use graphic display. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Reco Pakistan. I hope you are all well. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. For change language, we will go in other parameter. In parameter 30, enter 1. Language has been changed. For change color display, we will stay in other parameter. Go to 501 and enter 8 for change color display. Controller is asking for reboot. Now we will reboot the controller. See, after rebooting, the color has been changed. So we are jogging the axis. The axis in this color contrast is looking very nice. The third one is graphic display, and we will learn how to use graphic display. When we press arrow keys, the graphic will rotate along y-axis. When we press the left right key, it will rotate along z-axis, as we can see in the display. When we press up and down button, the graphic will zoom in and zoom out. So it is the video of today. If you get some knowledge, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.